Removing the AC compressor is pretty straightforward. Just take off the intake tube so you can reach down there and loosen the belt tensioner down there. And then from under the vehicle, you undo the connector right here. Maybe. And then there are a couple bolts on here that you undo the nuts, and then the hoses come off. Those appear to be 13 millimeter. And then there's 3 bolts that hold the compressor in that are accessible from the bottom right there, so it shouldn't take very much effort to take this out the rest of the way. And then I already got the belt off, and then I can put in a new compressor. Okay, with the pump I got this filter dryer that goes inside the condenser. So since the system's been open to atmosphere for over an hour, you're supposed to replace this. So I should probably put the evaporator back in before I do this, but right down there, there's the condenser, and that big tube on the end of it is the tube that the dryer goes in. And you can see it right there. It's really accessible, except that it's right above the frame rail, and it's got that line going directly under it. So it's a really poor idea to put it there. So that means you have to take the grill off and pull the condenser out and upside down so that you can get to that. So that'll be fun.